Yo, hear me I say, hands down, Zane, vybz Kartel and Spice are the king and queen for dancehall. And not debate no dead about it. No question no dead about it. No lollipop thing no dead about it. You can't push up alkaline against vybz Kartel career. Now you can't push up Sense against Spice career. Because she not reach that stage yet. No gimmicks no there. She not have done enough work in a dancehall. Nuffy try to do that and Sensia deny that because she knows say she not put in so much work and not disrespect. Yeah, disrespect Spice just because you are not in a fuel. You see what I say? Watch what go on, man. At the world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. But you know what go already, you know? When I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. But you know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about it. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. I'm the most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man. Right about now, you know. MC Nuffy, you know. And him come out and start this viewing on the internet where him I talk about Sensia take a Spice crown and where I do to her, I impeach her like Donald Trump. Let me tell you something. When since dancehall, king or queen, have to run through MC Nuffy. Eh? And that I want to know when since dancehall queen and king have to go through MC Nuffy. And him have to announce the king or the queen. When since dancehall king or queen depend on Nuffy input or what he think. Eh? I want to know when since. Nuffy, you're not credible. I'll make sure to tell you that. Nuffy, you're not credible. Because I'm going to tell you something. You run up and down and call vybz Kartel name and all evil come on the internet and shed tears like a bitch. You see what I say? I talk like say you honor vybz Kartel or you rate the man. Take your head from outer length jockstrap. Stop sniff length underwear. Stop sniff length drawers. You hear me? Because remember, vybz Kartel come out and say, take big interview and say, them a pressure him for him not do sting. And everybody know who they behind it. You see what I deal with? And them lock up the world boss from them until now. And never one day you ever come out come discuss about that. But you ask you want to run up your mouth and chat about other things. And you run from that type of argument there. Because you don't want nothing to do with it. Because you are sniffling draws. You see what I deal with? Your head fasten up all up underneath the man draw scratches. You see what I deal with? I'm not dealing with gimmicks thing, you know. I'm not dealing with lollipop thing, you know. And when if you truth for talk, you know, now go like on the field for talk, you know, walk around it. But make any nastiness or any fuckery. When you run on the internet with no loud vocal. I not laugh with it. Everybody know I'm not easy. I high grade my smoke, I not born beat it. I want to know, I'm the man with the most finesse on the internet. I want to know. You think I play with my drop necessary equipment, eh? And I sound the big thing then. Eh? Eh? Take your head from out of the man crutches. We want to hear your input on that. It loud and clear, a big interview vybz Kartel take. And a ball and I say him been pressured. You see what I deal with? Every show him keep the man them come and lock it off. And police are terrorize him. Him and him funds them. Eh? All know you not come discuss about that. But everybody else business you want to come up in her. And then I go like say you rate the world boss. You see what I deal with? You know article, me not find the article, my brethren. And you're not credible. Because you can't come chat about that. So me don't know how you come tell who you think a queen or a king. We don't need your input, my brother. Because it's proving, your track record proving that you're not credible. You know what I mean? Yeah, you're not. You want to take up for who for draws, you sniff out. You know what I mean? And then bash the rest of people them and put on the rest of people them. It don't go like that, my brethren. Justice have a split right across the board. You know what I mean? Justice are not for one, not for some. Justice are for all, my friend. No gimmicks thing that they about it. So if you want to go like you're big and truthful and you can come out, come talk the truth, who are the queen, a dancehall. Well, you can't talk the truth or over kartel that go on. When them that talk about your boss. Eh? You don't want nothing to do with that, right? Because your head you broke your neck up underneath the man crutches, right? Okay. I saw no one can be one-sided. You're not credible, my virgin, and you're not on a rating to vybz kartel neither. It's nothing but a pretender to me. A real thing me I tell you about. Because you know try to bring down Spice. A girl will tug it out through the ear. A world boss respect her. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know what kind of feelings you carry for the woman. I don't know what kind of feelings you carry for the woman. Remember, you know, when ladies saw in a dancehall, you know, the queen, you know, Miss Maria and all, you know, I burn up dancehall wicked, you know. Remember Spice was there, you know, and Spice had go and good, you know. But who couldn't put Spice to the queen? She's just there and I go and good. And she'd have to wait her turn. And when ladies saw retire from dancehall, you know what I mean, and the crown up, she was the one who there who fit. And the people them give it to her. Because she put in the work for it. And the game sting, and I see him like sense, yeah. She have to wait till her turn. You know what I mean? You try to force it on the girl, and the girl said no. She don't want it. Why do you think she said that? She knows she don't have so much work to take up that. Pan her hand. Because she don't reach a level yet. When you are the queen, nobody can stop that. You personally know that. You see what I say? So stop going like you want downgrade the girl and I follow up the girl. Every minute you follow up the girl. Every minute you follow up the girl. You don't go and hear something to run with it, to start follow up the girl. Leave the girl now, man. You're not more than a little troublemaker. You see what I deal with? And you eat popcorn all because you say Jake did call you and popcorn never come link you now, never even met Jake. Know where you're there, same no know where you're there. You know what I mean? Yeah, you have big belly for popcorn for that. Because you claim say I did him and you Jake supposed to sign. You see what I deal with? So you're not credible. You can't come tell with nothing. The people them who you have born out of 80 you carry for them. You have things against them. So how can we believe you? Good. How can we believe you? And why should we believe you? And why should we have to hear what you say? And why you have to bring the public in your past and in your hateful and disgusting thing where you have inside of you? Go work it out you and them, my brethren. The people them no need to hear all of them dirty things that run on the heart and on the mind, dog. Because grudge on the grudge the people them it look like. You grudge the people them for them success. Or what the fuck I go on? And then I go on like you're credible. You're credible, my brethren. Alright, you're credible. Let's talk about what vybz kartel talk about like then now. Since you're so credible. You know what I mean? Let's talk about that. Because that's the only thing me hear you know want to talk about. You run from that. You know what I mean? Everything else you vocal hype on it. What's wrong with that? Why you can't speak on that? Oh, you can't speak, right? You can't speak, right? Because everybody know where your head there, right? Eh? Stop sniff the man draws. You hear that? And then you go and come talk about people. You know what I mean? Why not want to talk about that? Eh? Why not talk about that? You talk about Jew, you talk about scatter. Let's talk about that. Because no, we have said that, you know, the world boss come out and say that, you know. You know what I mean? So for them not do this thing, you know. A beer fight, police a fight him and him even fear for him life. And all of them shit that everybody know who they behind it and anything happen to him and who for name him call. Eh? You know, say, who for name the man did call and say if anything happen to him. You know what I mean? Eh? And who the man say a pull strings. Eh? Let's talk about that. You know what I mean? To show you how biased you is. You know what I mean? You will never take no part in that, right? But you're ready to bring down people, right? And you want to bring down the girl all because of her success. I bet you she'd have you itch up beside you, beside her, you will not talk them shit there. Eh? I bet you she'd have you like a little footstool beside her. You will not talk them shit there. Eh? You're not credible, my friend. Nobody wants to hear what you have to say. You're dishonest. You know what I mean? Yeah. A certain people you want to talk about. I'm talking about the real fact now. I'm talking about the real fact of the matter now. Why you don't want to talk about them shit there? You want to hide from that? Eh? And then come chat your fuckery one-sided on the internet. And then I go like say you're credible. Eh? When since the king and the queen of the dancehall go through your expertise to feel like say, well then, you are the one who announced who's the king and the queen. Eh? And I talk about say you're a dancehall gatekeeper. Dancehall gatekeeper, your blood clot. Eh? You're not even dancehall zinc fence. Much less dancehall blood clot gatekeeper. Who the fuck you think you is? I talk your shit. Eh? If you was dancehall gatekeeper, look how long you have some artists and you can't put them through the gate. Or you not put them through the gate. Or your artists them not gone through the gate. Eh? Eh? What happened to Frasil? Mr. Dancehall gatekeeper, what happened to Frasil? Put him through the gate then, no man. Why you lock him out from your dancehall gatekeeper and you're an artist? Why you not put him through the gate? We're not any type of bumbleclot blogger, you know. I'm tell you that, you know, we're revolutionist Gaza with the mode on YouTube international business, you know. But let me tell you something. We can chat about anything we feel like, you know. Because we know it, you know, we not guess it, you know. We not guess who I guess it. And we not buy it neither. We not know it. What you talk about? But you're a dancehall gatekeeper. You ain't no dancehall gatekeeper. You're nothing but a little fucking bitch. You know what I mean? Who one-sided. You're a one-sided bitch. You know what I mean? And I talk about you talk truth. Which part you talk truth? What the truth the way you talk? Eh? I'm going to truth for fulfill your own curiosity because you have bad feelings against people. Hmm? You want to violate popcaan all because you are say him and you Jake did call and popcaan never link you up. You know what I mean? You claim say him and you Jake did want sign. You know what I mean? So you have a bad thing against the youth. So all the work with the youth doing a dancehall, it can't enough for you. You know what I mean? It can't enough for you. So you prefer to violate him. And you prefer to violate Spice. Just because you not have you behind her. You know what I mean? Not have you show for her. Not have you as a footstool. You see what I say? I can't bet you any money anywhere she there have you behind her. You not chat them way you different shit you that chat. You see what I say? No gimmicks not there in it. So you are not credible. So when you run on JA radio and I tell the people them this and that, tell the people them the truth. Say you have bumbuckler shit where you have to chat about or you can't chat about. All because your leg up in a, your head up in a blood clot, leg jaw scratches. You cannot talk about that. So if you can't talk about that, don't come say nothing about bumbuckler, Spice and popcaan. No gimmicks thing that there. Or the living truth that. You know what I mean? If they can't come split justice right on the board, don't come chat no shit. But they not go and take that from you. Where you take people for? Clown? You just want to come tell them what you feel like. Eh? And hide the fuck out the reality thing from the people them. Anyway, you know. At the general, you know. The 10-star one. Watch. Watch.